Da ewo eye Ghana afofida yedie eye 66th Independence Day no na ye Kumase eho na Adom Kasee ama no boni na aboache dankwa ate ne ho asi Kumase mountain so a wakọ Adum ene omanfo bi edi nkomo ebusebusa wo mo emfihia adusia nsia nimpa na oya aban adwuma nkokọ pension bebia Ghana aduri wadwenkyere ene sensem sei ene ototo Adom Kasee ni mu
66 years near 66 years of independence and niema ben ara ya ye niema ben yenye ni den na wo generally about Ghana
opani media mi mo ba mi nsuo dia nka enton Ghana na ko bi anye hye so de Ghana nkoyi amamu na kasa nkoyi chepanyi na kasa no pese ono no ase ono ase odi he busua abla so ebre so
so for him, he's saying that it is best that we sell Ghana, which is highly impossible because there is actual difficulty in the country.
Okay, Ghana, I be by or say a more. So, because we school cry in Yanuko, ya. Obi was say, no school crime in him, some come and move some form 2, some form 1. A moon baby or more. Into school, no young cannot answer ye.
Yata 16 kabana your pension. Niema ben was it to me yet.
Yeah, light. Your light, but say a surprise countries be light. Now so yeah, light there. Maybe I know off. It was a share light. Your hair light in your market in the.
Okay, so for him, he is not okay with what we have achieved as a country. 66-year-old Ghana, he's not happy with what we have achieved. He's talking about our electricity crisis and other economic challenges.
I think Ghana for the past 66 years, we have done a lot and more needs to be done by the current government and the past government. We know they have done a lot and more need to be done. Unemployment and loss of revenue to enable the country to forge ahead of development. Because of corruption, our revenue target or our revenue system in the country is not the best. Those investment which the past government has invested is not yielding any positive results to us. One is the Tema refinery. If you have a refinery and you are finding oil, why do you have to go somewhere and refine your oil to come and sell in the country? Do you think Nkrumah was foolish of setting up Tema refinery? He set up the Tema refinery that in future, if Ghana find oil, we shouldn't export oil and import finished products.
Everything, I think there is no job and I don't think we are improving, so I think they have to do better. There are certain communities and then areas that need schools, hospitals and stuff, so I think they should concentrate on that.
Ghana, here, no matter if you say the medical school, I say abano etuhu anamono I idea who here because on man because we free education said the omano esi education here